Happy Max Week! I'm Vicky and let me tell you all about Adobe Fresco. If you can dream it, you can do it in Fresco. Sketch it, draw it, paint it, in vector, in pixel, with live watercolor, live oil brushes, and hundreds of other brushes. Pick up one color, multiple colors, or use our swatches to create 3D effect like this, and this. Want to add motion? Here we do both frame by frame and path motion. Have a bird, but one more bird? Just a quick tap and you got it. Oh hey, now watch me fly across the screen. Just one stroke and it's done. Use Liquify to manipulate your art like this, and this. And with the free transform tool, you can distort your art like this. Easily add in perspective grids so you can draw with ease and create amazing perspective art like this one. Love what you created? We sync to Photoshop, send to Illustrator, and to Capture to create cool patterns on the fly like these. Now go try Fresco if you haven't. See you again and hope you enjoy Adobe Max.